Welcome to this lesson on ad blockers. An ad blocker is a browser extension or add-on that blocks ads from displaying on a web page that you are viewing. I'm going to be doing this demonstration with the Matic Ad-blocker. If you do not see the Matic Ad-blocker in your browser, that means it is turned off or not installed. The ad blocker will install itself along with Matic. But if this is not the case, I have included a download link in the Things to Remember section. I'm going to download Matic and show you how to enable the ad blocker for Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Chrome. I'm going to be using Chrome to download Matic. The address that we're going to put in is pcmatic.com/download. This is a direct link to download the Matic application. Now we will install the program. Now that Matic is installed, we're going to open up our browsers one by one and make sure it is enabled. We're going to start with Internet Explorer. When Internet Explorer opens, we'll see a prompt asking if we want to enable the ad blocker. Click Enable. After we enable the Matic ad blocker, we do need to close and then reopen Internet Explorer. Now we can see the Matic ad blocker. Next, we're going to open up Firefox. And we can see that the ad blocker is green and enabled. For Chrome, we will need to use a link to download. This link will be available in the Things to Remember section. This brings us to the Chrome store. Click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. And now we see the Matic ad blocker is available in Chrome. To install the Matic ad blocker in Microsoft Edge is a different process and will be covered in a later video. A green shield means that the ad blocker is on and is working. Now I've turned the ad blocker off on this next page. When you see a red shield, that means it's off or it's on the allowed list. As we scroll down on this page, we can see an ad here. Another ad here. And this is with our ad blocker off. Now to turn our ad blocker on or to interact with the ad blocker, all we need to do is left click the shield. And this power icon will turn it on. When it is blue, it is on, and when it's not blue, that means it's off. And we can also tell by a green or red shield. Now once we turn it on or turn it off, we'll need to refresh the page by clicking this icon here. Now once that's done, the page refreshes and the ad blocker is now active. Now, if we scroll down the page, we no longer see the advertisements that were displayed between the text. And that concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.